Come a little closer to me, darling.
Hello. Today we're going to go over the letter E. The letter E. 今日の文字は E です。今日2つの音しますが、本当はそれ以上ですが、とりあえずこれは十分です。じゃあ、The name is E. The first sound is E. That would be the same as the Japanese A, I, U, E, O. E. E. 日本のあいうえおのえ。そして、name, E. First sound, E. Alright, so we have two words today using E, number one, E, N, and D. So you just learned the D sound last time. So, E, N, end. E, N, D, end. And then we have a longer word here. This is elephant. 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 End. Elephant. So now we have E2. 2番目の音は青色で、それは母音の名前を言います。そして E. So if you go from the beginning, E, E. Okay? さっきの音しちゃったら、それはあになってしまいます。それは違います。本当は EA の時で、まだ E の音を伸ばして、言わないです。それから、eat, eat. Okay? And you have 母音、子音、E. そして、最後に E 言わなくて、母音の名前言って、それから、Eve. Eve. 例えば、Christmas Eve. New Year's Eve. それは特別な日の前の日とか、何かが行う前の日は何々の Eve. Alright, one more time. Ready? Eat, Eve. Eat, Eve. Alright, so let's review the sounds up to now. So we have A, an, B, B, C, k, s, ch. D, d, E, E. All right. Good job today, and I'll see you next time.